When building or repairing your home, knowing where to start can be hard. Anything from fixing the kitchen sink to replacing your roof can be challenging. Involving a contractor might just be the route for you. You might be wondering, why use a contractor? What could the benefits be? Licensed contractors have gone to school and put in countless hours to reach a certain level of expertise. They know what proper materials your project needs and they can do all the hard work correctly. This will save you time plus money. You can use a contractor for anything. Projects are almost always more complicated than you expect. Anything from replacing drywall to adding square feet to your living room all require careful measuring, expertise, and time. Before you just hire anybody, remember, it is possible to get a bad contractor. Not all contractors are equal in their attitudes and workmanship. Prevent disaster by getting a licensed contractor to solve your problems. Electric League of Arizona vets contractors' qualifications before allowing them to work for you. It's an easy way to safeguard your project. Since 1960, Electric League of Arizona has built a base of consistent professionals who are industry licensed, insured and bonded, with 100% guaranteed follow-up. Electric League of Arizona provides free referrals. Call 800-368-7767 for a free referral today.